Put this into a molehill, and the pest will be gone faster than it showed up. If you're dealing with this problem, you've got to try this simple and budget-friendly trick. Start by pouring 10 ounces of whey into a glass container. Whey is a natural byproduct of curdled milk and has a sour smell that contains bacteria moles find extremely off-putting. Next, add about 3 ounces of buttermilk, which irritates the mole's sense of smell, and its fermented scent enhances the repelling effect. To boost the mix, add a spice you definitely have at home, ground black pepper. Its sharp aroma irritates the mole's nose. Add 1 teaspoon of it to the mixture. Then, add a few drops of castor oil, known for its strong, unpleasant scent. Stir everything well. Soak a regular cotton pad in the mixture and place it directly into the molehill. The cotton pad acts as a scent carrier, helping the intense smell spread and effectively scare the moles away. This will make them leave your garden quickly. Try this natural remedy and enjoy a pest-free garden.